So this cosmic energy that is ever growing, ever increasing wealth consciousness is going to be here for 24 hours, and it's going to give us this combination as well this year in 2019, in that there are 6 wealth or royalty producing yogas. Now these yogas are this ability to be in alignment or union with God. So it's a rare time, it's a rare combination of these astronomical or astrological planetary beings aligned in a certain way that it will increase millions and billions fold our efforts that we couldn't even do on our own. We wouldn't even understand it. But these yogas will give us this opportunity to go inside and really expand that wealth exponentially. So the 6 royalty wealth yogas are power boosters. And the first one that I'll share about is where Jupiter and the moon are in this mutual aspect of one another, and it creates this yoga called Gaja Kashari. So Gaja means elephant, and then Kashari means lion. And so that we all know that the elephant is this royal beast, and you don't mess with it. And in the ancient times, the royalty used to ride on the elephant to avoid getting trampled by everything else underneath it. So the lion also is the king of the jungle. So we have this royalty consciousness coming through these beautiful animals, and then that will give us the opportunity to dive into wealth and fame and money consciousness. So Jupiter, Moon, Gaja Kashari Yoga gives us wealth, fame, and money consciousness. Then the second yoga is formed by Moon and Mars combining together, and it's called a Chandra Mangala Yoga. And it gives us the power to have high status or a good status in life. So a good job or a good career, or we are recognized or acknowledged by everyone in our family, everyone in our community, and everything that we do. So we're always feeling good about ourselves. And so that can also make us a benefactor of riches. So that's the Chandra Mangala Yoga. So Chandra is moon, Mangala is Mars. So the third one is Jupiter, Mars. They're mutually aspecting in your chart. And then it creates this Guru Mangala. So Guru is Jupiter, and then Mars is Mangala, so Guru Mangala. And it gives us the power to have leadership qualities, earn high status for our efforts, our own efforts. So someone isn't just going to give it to us. We will have this high self-esteem that we will go after it. And we'll have the grace and blessings of Guru, which is fortune, luck, and grace. So we'll be aligned with that energy. And then the fourth one is Mars, Moon squared by Jupiter, and that forms a Raja Yoga. Now, Raja means king or royalty consciousness. So it bestows good fortune. Venus is exalted in Pisces. That's the fifth yoga. And that is where Venus is in the 12th house from the sun. The sun now is transiting in its exalted position in the zodiac in Aries. So sun in Aries, sun represents our soul. So our soul is feeling exalted. It's feeling like, yeah, give me the soul food that I need. So it's really aligning us with this consciousness. It will just be like pouring all this consciousness into this beautiful vessel we call our souls. And our soul is going to be so thirsty and soak it all up. So that Venus exalted in Pisces, it creates Vasa Yoga. And then that gives us the ability to increase our awareness, our intelligence, both on whatever it is that we're doing in the world, and also our divine intelligence, our spiritual intelligence. We can meditate, we can chant, but we may not necessarily know what it's doing. So it will show up in our life because it will be spilling over. It'll be attracting those situations to us so that we will have that energy and that intelligence to go after our goals and to progress in life. So the final yoga is where all the exalted planets Sun is in Aries, so the sun is like the king of the zodiac, and the moon is like the queen of the zodiac. So they're both exalted. The sun, again, is in Aries, exalted position, moon, Taurus, exalted position, and then Venus is in Pisces, and that gives wealth and luxury. So we are just, if we just tune in, that is going to pour from the cosmos. That energy is going to come and wake up inside of us, grow, expand, and we will start to attract all that wealth and comfort and luxury, whatever it is that we want in life. So that's it in a nutshell.